weekends. I get to work, I clock in, I put my things down in the break room. I log into my Dr. Chrono app and I can see who is coming in today, what kind of services they're going to be having done, and which nurse is assigned to them. We do laser hair removal, we do injectables like Botox, Juvederm, Kybella. We do laser facials called skin rejuvenations, as well as cool sculpting, and we have an esthetician that does facials. It's pretty cool. There's a lot of services we offer, so I do various things throughout the day. I'm not currently trained in injectables, so I've just been working on the lasers, both laser hair removal and laser tattoo removal or laser facials. So I came home after this shift and saw that I had some packages by my back door. I got an email a little while back from a brand called Lovevery. Wanted to know if I wanted to partner with them. I've said this before, but I'm very, very picky about who I partner with because I have seen a lot of influencers turn into a cash grab, and I never want that to be the case for me. So I did my own research on their products, and it felt like something that would work really, really well for Brogan and I. So I went ahead and ordered the play kit that was appropriate for his age. Brogan turns 2 in about 2 weeks. So I went ahead and did the play kit that is for ages 25 months, 26 months, and 27 months. I have some videos here of him opening them and playing with all the various toys that came in the box, including a fully functional sink, which I thought was super, super cool. I also was able to order the Pull Pup, which is just a little wooden dog on wheels with like a string leash, and he has taken that dog to bed with him now. He literally takes that dog with him everywhere. He's so obsessed with it. I really like this brand because they put a lot of thought into what goes into these kits. As soon as we opened the box, he had no interest in our TV anymore. He was all obsessed with everything in the box. He played with this up until bedtime for a good hour and a half, just wanting to explore each different thing. It was really, really nice to see him kind of engage with toys that are not battery operated. I mean, the sink has a battery operated pump, but I don't really count that. Of course, I know these things are an investment, so if it's not something that fits with your family, that's absolutely fine. But if it is something you're interested in, I do have an affiliate link underneath this video. When you use these links, it helps support me, my channel grow with my family, and I really, really do appreciate it. Let me know in the comments if you've tried Lovevery before, or the play kits, or the Pull Pup.